Hello, welcome to Morning Coffee with Mad Dog Merv, and today, well, we've got a nice, cool, comfortable morning. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, low 70s. I am so excited for this weekend. Let's see what we've got going on the channel, shall we?
Welcome to Morning Coffee.
Mad Dog Merv today.
Got our French roast this morning
Bagel.
again. No wonder I'm a big fat guy. I mean,
And then
holy
they
cow.
I always had a schmear. A schmear.
He's probably going for bagels. He's trying to steal.
Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it.
I have no clue.
And I got a bunch of chores to do. Oh, who wants to do that?
So today's shout out goes to a friend. His name's Mark, and I've mentioned it before. Mark goes to all of the like Goodwill, places like that, does a lot of just searching for things. And bless his heart, as he comes across some different model kits that are at those kind of places, he lets me know about them. And I didn't ask, hey, when you're out. He does it just out of pure kindness. It's such a great guy, and I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate him. Anyway, he's found a couple of great deals for me over the years, and lately he's found some more. And I just got to tell you, and he's got a YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description to the channel. But man, I just got to tell you how much I appreciate the fact that I can't get out to these places like I used to. And to have somebody that keeps their eye open for me like that, it is really appreciated. And he finds some really cool stuff that we review here on the channel. So anyway, that's a shout out to my friend Mark. This last week we looked at the Rocky Mountain Expo. I think that's what it's called, but we all call it the Rocky Mountain Hobby Expo. It is amazing. It's not an IPMS show. It's a different kind of format. Instead of having different categories like all 172nd here and all 148 here and all tanks here, you take your stuff. And if I want to take figures and cars and airplanes and tanks and ships and put them on display, I can do that. I've got a little section. They'll give me a whole, table, whatever, to put that stuff on display and just kind of show what I'm doing or, show my stuff. And as you saw, it was amazing what was on those tables. And they do have, if you want judging, they'll take one of your items and kind of judge it. Excuse me, critique it, I guess is a good way to put that. And it's not a negative critique. It's okay, this is awesome, but here's some things that maybe you could look at doing to, enhance it, make it better. That kind of thing. I love the format, but I love the fact that you can put a bunch of your stuff on display and people get to know the modeler versus, some, oh, look, that's a really cool airplane. I wonder who did that, kind of thing. So, love this format. There was 1,000 models on the table. And this was on a Memorial Day weekend. So, I can only imagine if it was on a weekend that didn't have a bunch of other stuff going on. Yeah, it would have really been off the hook. But it grows every year. This is what, the second year? I can't remember that they've been doing this. And it's the second year I've been involved in it. Absolutely amazing. So hopefully you guys liked the show and liked the models that I showed. As I go to these different model shows from time to time, I will share with you the stuff that's on the table. Hopefully it will inspire you guys the way it inspires me. We looked at that 32nd scale P38 this last week on the stash, and great old kit, fairly simple to build, very nostalgic for most of us. I'm doing it for a specific purpose. It has to do with the busts that we're putting out. But anyway, that's a pretty neat kit, and for the price, you can't beat it. Well, used to be $5 and now I paid 20, so but hey, still really a neat kit. This upcoming week I hope to have a kit hoarder stash. I've got a couple of things in the works that I'd like to show you guys. We'll see how the week goes, and hopefully Thursday we will have a kit hoarder stash. Now remember, tomorrow is the off week for the main show, so we won't have one tomorrow. So I'm going to take the opportunity to turn the camera around and show you guys what I've been doing this week. It has been a very busy week. Let's take a look. So all these people in blue, there's 19 of them. And you notice they're holding an orb of some sort. This is the Stonewall Kickball team that I am associated with. And several of them are friends and family. Here's Nick, who went down to Vegas with me. And let's see, Andy's here somewhere. Yeah, there's Andy. She was in Vegas with me as well. I've got my son and some of my, as I call them, selected family members, and my daughter, who's actually on the team. So it's kind of a fun thing to do, but this is their last game later today, and so they have asked, well, the team captain asked if I could make prints of the entire team, and then at the ceremonies at the end of the game today, they're going to be handing these out. Now, they've chosen an MVP for the season, and that would be this young lady right here. Now, here's what the print looked like coming off. Not too bad, except for, somebody took a big bite out of her butt. So I had to reprint her, and I put her on one of my stands that I use, and went ahead and made the name tag. So the name of the team is the Clamazons, and this is the 2026 MVP. So for that young lady. Now, decided to do a special award for one of the team members. This young man here absolutely nailed it this year. He definitely was runner-up for the MVP award, but he had this one game. It happened to be on his birthday, and he was absolutely a monster. And in one of the innings, he got a triple play. A triple play in one of the innings. Just amazing. So my son, who is a amateur photographer, takes pictures of all of the team, not only in action, but these pictures, which these come from pictures of them, they call them the team photos. So you've got the whole group together, and then we kind of did them separately. So this is some of the action photos of the young man. His name's Brian. And some of the action photos from that particular day of him throwing the ball, getting people out, kicking the ball, catching the ball. And yeah, this is pretty cool. So it's called the Most Awesome Game Performance 2026. And so he's going to be really surprised by that little trophy I made. So that's what I have been busy doing the last few days. I actually printed up a little Bible. It's hard to see, but it does say Bible on it. It's a little covered up, and it's got the cross there. And this comes from a picture of my friend Dave. Just call him Pastor Dave. And he was in his white suit with, and I do need to touch up the paint because it's really kind of gotten some nasty stuff on it there. But anyway, in the photograph, the original photograph, he's holding a Bible. So when I did the print, it didn't come out. So I printed a Bible in small scale, and there you go. Did a little Dremel tool and did that. So that's what I have been doing. Part of what I've been doing this week. I've also been busy getting some prints put together for Kit Links. The latest one that's going to be coming out soon is a Canadian pilot. We did Pappy Boyington a week ago, but we're starting to get a good selection of those busts. Most of them are going to be pilots. Some are going to be aces. Some are not. Some are going to be like there's a sub commander there. There's a couple of tank commanders there. Eventually, we're going to have quite the variety to choose from. So check those out at Kit Links, and they're only $20. I mean, wow, that's not bad for those busts. Let's see, what else did I do this week? Oh, I have been busy. Had a couple of clients get a hold of me wanting to know if I could 3D print. One is a head for a 1/12 scale model, and the model, the head on it's terrible. So I want to know if I could 3D print him one. So yeah, we got that done, taken care of. A couple other projects that I have been working on for some folks, and it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of work. It keeps me busy, but it's also very rewarding, which is what modeling should be. So that's what the week has been like here. Now, this next week, who knows what it'll bring. I'm going to try and get some painting done on some of these minis. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to try and finish up the taco truck this week that I've been working on, because I would like to do a show on that 3D printed taco truck and show you guys how that's coming. But we'll see. We'll see what happens this week. So anyway, thanks for joining us today for morning coffee, and I'm going to finish my cup and get on with the day. I got to get over to the ballpark actually and get all these guys taken, and it should be a fun day for I can't remember what they call it. Spirit Day. Yep. So, all right. Thanks for joining us, folks. We'll see you again soon.